Welcome to another follow along workout, guys. This time it's gonna be upper body, and you know, we got Michelle in the house, we got Lily in the house wearing their amethyst rare fit outfits. Y'all twins today. Are those the biker shorts or regular shorts?
Regular.
Lily, show them the gains.
Get it.
The gains, Michelle. Y'all ready to kill it?
Yes.
Very important that you guys stay hydrated, so we got some BCAAs. BCAAs from One Soul. You could either use code Lily or code Michelle for a discount. Whatever you guys prefer. This is a taste test. This launches on Thursday. Actually, it's already launched, so we're pre-filming this video. So when this video goes live, it's already on the website.
So you better go get it, you guys.
Yeah, you guys need it. Protein, they got everything, but we're gonna try the blue raspberry new flavor.
Stop, I'm already trying it. I've been sipping on it.
Yo, this shit is fire.
Dude, you guys got down with making this flavor.
So refreshing. Damn. Vitamin C, magnesium, potassium.
That's really good.
Gatorade is shaking right now.
Dude, literally.
Gatorade is shaking. Okay, before we start the workout, we're just gonna warm up our shoulder joints. So if you got a long band, just do what we're doing. Just back and forth. This to warm up the shoulder joints because we're gonna be using the shoulder joints a lot in this workout. If you don't have a band, you can still warm up your shoulders. Just do some arm circles for a good minute. We're gonna forward this warm up and we're gonna go straight into the workout. Okay, so first workout, we're gonna do squat to shoulder press. So I'm gonna explain to you guys. So even though we're doing upper body, we're still gonna get a little bit of legs with this workout. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna place the dumbbells right above our shoulders, get in squat position. Then you're gonna squat down, press up, that's 1 rep. We're gonna go all the way to 15 reps. You guys ready? Let's do it. All right, let's do it. Okay, so very important when you guys squat down, pushing off your heels as you go up, and then shoulder pressing. So right here, we're working out the legs. Here, we're working out the shoulders, the triceps. There you go. Make sure when you guys are doing the squat, your butt is going back. The last thing you want to do is go forward like this, because then you're gonna feel your knees. So just like that. All the way to 15 reps. There you go. It's gonna feel like cardio when you're doing this exercise. Your heart rate's gonna be beating like crazy. There you go. Perfect. So the only rest you get is when I'm explaining the workouts. Next exercise you're gonna do push-up position rows. So very simple. All you're gonna do, you're gonna get in the push-up position, right? With one arm, you're gonna bring the dumbbell back, elbow towards your hip, just like that. We're gonna do 10 reps on this side, and then 10 reps on the other side. So with this one, you're gonna be feeling your core a lot. You're gonna feel your shoulders, bicep, and your back workouts. Your back muscles. Let's go. 20 total. So you wanna make sure your feet are spread out a little bit more for balance. There you go. There you go. Hips, elbow towards your hip. There you go. Perfect. Notice their position. They don't have their hips up too high. A lot of times when people do this exercise, they're gonna wanna be like this. You wanna get your hips neutral level, just like they are. Perfect form like this. You're gonna feel your core a lot, guys. There you go, come on. You guys are doing good. Good job, Lily. Good job, Michelle. Okay, now we go straight to 21s. So with this exercise, you're gonna feel the biceps. You're gonna start up here, right? You're gonna go down halfway, 1, all the way to 7. And then once you do 7, you bring them down here. You go halfway up 7 times. And then after 7 reps, you do 7 more full range of motion. That's why they're called 21, 7, 7, 7. You're gonna feel that burn on your bicep. Let's go. Y'all see these biceps? Y'all see these biceps? Halfway down. It's a little too low. Right there. Perfect. Perfect. Halfway. There you go. Don't forget to breathe. Breathe in, breathe out. And then 7 full range of motion. Oh, they're feeling it. They're feeling it. Come on. You got it. Push through that burn. You guys want results. Remember, you guys gotta push through that burn. When you wanna stop, your mind is stronger than your body. Okay, so next one we're gonna do is high planks. This one you're gonna feel a lot on your shoulders. All you're gonna do is be in this position for 45 seconds. You guys ready? All right, 3, 2, 1, go. Just 45 seconds. Squeeze that core. Keep it engaged. Hands right below your shoulders. There you go. You got 30 more seconds. 30 more seconds. This is the form you want. Straight line. If your hips start going up too high, eventually your form will get better. That's normal. If you're barely starting, your hips too high. Come on, you got 10 more seconds. You got it, Michelle. You got it, Lily. Come on, hang in there. 3, 2, 1. Good job. All right, if you guys need a longer break, pause the video. We're gonna be right here. Next exercise we got curls to shoulder presses. So take these. So what you're gonna do here, you're gonna be in a curl position. You're gonna curl, then from this position, you're gonna press up, twist and go up. And then you're gonna twist, come back down, just like that. So this curl to a press, that's 1 rep. We're gonna do 15 reps. You're gonna work your entire arm. You're gonna be working your bicep, your shoulders, your triceps. Perfect. Make sure you're picking a weight that once you're at 12 or 13 reps, you have to push yourself to get to 15. If you're getting to 15 reps really easily, you need to up the weight a little bit. Perfect, there you go. Got it, Lily? In there. All the way to 15. You're almost there. Excellent. Excellent work. There you go. Good job, Lily. Good job, Michelle. Okay, so next workout, you're gonna be feeling the shoulders a lot. These are called shoulder flies. You're gonna grab your dumbbells. You might wanna do around 5 pounds, maybe something light, because this exercise is really difficult to do with heavy weight. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna position your dumbbells like this. You're gonna slightly bend the elbows and you're gonna bring up the weights like this, driving through the elbows, just like that. You're gonna go all the way to 20 reps. When you get to 12, 13 reps, you're gonna start feeling that burn. You gotta push yourself to do 20 reps. Let's go. Something else that I want to point out is, you know how they're slightly bending their knee? That's what you want to do to keep the pressure off your lower back. There you go. Perfect. You see how they're not directly going to the side? They're going to the side but slightly in front. Just like that. There you go. Come on. Hang in there. Remember, 20 reps. Push it. What number are you on, Lily? 12, 8 more, 13. Come on, Michelle. They're feeling it, they're feeling it. Come on, push it, you guys are almost there. Good job. Come on, one more. There you go. Told you, you're gonna feel that one. Okay, next one's a little bit more difficult than that. This is gonna be a military push-up, but the main focus is gonna be on the tricep, the back part of the arm. You know, so you have those arms and you're like, oh, how do I get rid of that arm fat right there? There's a good workout for that. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna be in a push-up position. Your hands are gonna be shoulder width apart. When you go down, you want your elbows touching your body. You don't want them to flare out. You want them right here, up, just like that. We're gonna do as many reps as you can in 1 minute. If this is too difficult for you, you could drop on your knees, do a modified version. Let's go. About 1 minute of this.
1 minute?
Yep. We're starting in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. There you go, there you go. Bring your hands a little closer, maybe. Okay, elbows going right near your body. Perfect. If you can't do it, once you can't do them like that anymore, Michelle, it's okay, go on your knees. If that is still too difficult, what you could do is you go down and you pick yourself up, get in position again. You go down slowly and then you pick yourself up and just repeat. Go down slowly and then just pick yourself up. Let's go. Oh, we got 15 seconds. Come on. Keep that core tight when you're doing this too. Core tight. Come on, hang in there, hang in there. You got 5 seconds. Core tight, core tight. And we're done. Good job. We got two more workouts. If you guys need a break, pause the video. They're not allowed to break right now. The only break they're getting is me explaining this workout. So next exercise, we're gonna grab the dumbbells. What you're gonna do is you're gonna form like a V right around this part of the dumbbell. You're gonna put it over your head. From here, you're just gonna go up like this. For balance, put one foot in front of the other, slightly bend that knee, and just go up like that. All the way to 20 reps. There's another one for the back part of the arms, the triceps. You guys ready? 20 reps. Let's go. Feel it right here. See their position? One foot in front of the other. There you go. Hang in there, guys. Breathe in, breathe out. Oh, this is a good workout. I know they're feeling it. There you go. No, 5 more. 20. Lily wants to stop. Not letting her. All the way up. Good job, Michelle. You got one more workout.
My arms feel like noodles.
Your arms are feeling like noodles. So this is the last workout. If you've managed to keep up so far, I'm proud of you guys. This is gonna be a killer shoulder workout. So these are called steering wheels. All you're gonna do is you're gonna put your arms straight in front. You're gonna grab the dumbbell and you're gonna pretend you're steering it for 1 minute straight. It's okay if like 30 seconds in, you need to take like a 2-second break. Just get back to it. 1 minute. You guys ready? All right, let's go. Perfect, perfect. 1 minute. They're gonna be feeling this area in the shoulders right here, right there. You guys gotta hang tough. This is the last workout. Do whatever you gotta do, push through. Ooh, Michelle's feeling it. See, if you do that, that's okay. Slight little pause, and then she's finishing strong. Let's go. Come on, you got 30 seconds. 30 seconds, guys. 30. Slightly bend those knees to keep the pressure off your lower back. Come on. 20 seconds, let's go. Let's finish strong. I'm gonna finish it with you guys. So you got 10 seconds. 10 seconds. Let's go. Let's go. And we're done. Woo.
That was tough.
Give it up for Michelle. Give it up for Lily. If you guys want to follow them on Instagram, Lily Moon, I'm going to put her Instagram handle at the bottom of the video. Then we got Bad B Michelle. Then Booty King. That was a good workout, guys. But remember, guys, this is just one workout. Just because you do one workout doesn't mean you're going to see results. Nutrition also plays a part, and you got to be consistent. If you're working out 5 days a week, make sure you work out 5 days the next, 5 days the following week. You can't do 5 days one week and then 1 day the following week and expect to see results. You guys got to be consistent. If you guys are consistent with your workouts, your nutrition, you're going to see amazing results.